environment.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Adeɛ wei yaka on this platform say adeɛ bi a ɛyɛ yɛ environment a ɔman Ghana yɛde bɛdi agorɔ no ɛyɛ nkwa ɛne yɛtete so yɛnkwa ɛne enti ensu a yɛsɛ no ɛne yɛn forest put together everything a ɛkɔ so biara no yɛn nipa a yɛwɔ mu no nti ɛkɔ school yɛ kakyɛ sɛ environment no adeɛ bi a atwe ho ahyia biara ka ho bi
Akoma FM
twe ho ahyia ka ho enti so yɛ nipa dasani woyɛ nipa
87.9
na sɛ wɔ environment wodedi agorɔ a agye sɛ wankasa na apɛ sɛ wonkwa wotete so. And that is so. Research will tell you. Because in so ayed unum, in so no, udidi agra. Now wote won kwaso. And from our home, say udidi agra. Now wote won kwaso. And until now, they are koso ewo Bosomtwe be person in the environment.
87.9 Kumasi.
And what I concerned to us, I di hun command pain. In fact, we've seen videos and pictures. The nature say illegal mining, every Bosomtwe around the lake, any forest reserve, a lake in Wasiano, illegal mining, abawurim. Na question in say ebane saying, and na that area, that zone. Yashe ama sa activity akoso ho anase ekoso. Engineer Hamidu Abdallah
87.9
DCE edema Akoma Bosomtwe district mo fanche me Bosomtwe district mame no ni nkoma no pay. Now the same question at them this 30 year no adenti ni yahye I'm a forester. Echa the lake no ho asia. Na no na ye yesi obi a clear site e de abaye project. And they akoye illegal mining. E dia na ekoso wo ho. Adan ne atena masa de yi. Enso so asi. Chief, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
This is the question. Question me busani. Adan ne ahwa masa ne ma ekoso wo. Yen forest reserve etwa lake no ho asia.
Madam, no pay me that was it. Na ma shower tearful. Teacher, I share Bosomtwe. Madam, I'm say issue abe top free bena ochini. Madam, for say people say mo yitie yen o mo unye ho se de titie no. Madam, de di kan ma me din kan emfa no bi ndadi. Oba Bosomtwe man sin no mo ana Bosomtwe district no mo ye wo Nkura hodo 67 na nkura hodo 67 no esu Bosomtwe eda ye Bosomtwe district na esu Bosomtwe na nkasa no ho no ye nkuru 22 ena atwa ho ahia emu 12 ena ye under Bosomtwe emu 10 na aka na ye under Bosomtwe ho na Sir John we dey minister on authority as a district representative sa nkuru 12 na atwa Bosomtwe Wachia ya under Bosomtwe district there. Mitimaka say who be anywhere for see activity abaho. Na you
osin krono a atwa Bosomtwe like Bosomtwe ho asia
direct communities no yes direct communities na work direct communities ni na no ye ofre they come Bosomtwe there no ofre attack from ejamama mokom no ba boriko andra demu PPA onkowi obo abono nichasi boriko odo jafo ekwa akosi abasi kai nkuru 12 yi eye nkuru a eye under Bosomtwe the rest of 10 na kana wo Bosomtwe for there because I don't have the authority over it mean to but e mo 12 yi ana na no ma assembly members mo ho nyina se be ye from one dey kana o metima di adance here. But then you go to be Bosomtwe district ni mu on se kuro di na kwa Bosomtwe no ntise bi ubodi na ye na ye say nyina re kuro ase bi wo Bosomtwe ho ye kuro di bi mu ne be ye district chief executive e be hu sa mining activities we be poso konkoma body kwano eno udru ukọ Bosomtwe na udru nyame ni a ofa nyame ni left a we to fa ho akopie fence be poso no we to fa ho pie ada say dwabin ana say okọ ankase a sankuri eyinkura so okọ abakosi mu na yenkura na de o lake no ho no nso no air span no e ma sankuri two ko people na echi no mo costa tole nti mo se kuri wo ha ni di ne wo ha ene sa wo nso na no nti that is the bit of history akawo ho na me buy no we so be dia dance no so most of the communities are now they were doing some form of illegal mining which say be possible konkoma workano me buy on 3 separate occasions yakoho ready akopamu safoni na dodo na afiri hono na say wadaro ma say benya kwanya bi mu a ye challenge akasia me won say Bosomtwe share boundaries with 7 different district and municipalities. We do have before you make say yeah on side left so you say could be feminine. This is feminine now when you need jabbing here. Oko ataframa o romo akwanka se ka Bosomtwe from ho ebo hye. Oba piase kwan so ye ne jab ejuso ebo hye. Bosomtwe kakrakai nipa mu 174,000 include wo mu 67. Policemen and wo mu no odaroma ni di ni go kwa enru 52 enru 50 saboders we ni sankura men kanyina they are not even men to man these places the operational pamomo and these guys no more for permanent ho ewura forest enwamura ni farmlands ni mu enfufu na ho no be say insider sabi enkroma na nkasa no ka ho na yeye wo ahwe okra wonya dai won ti the work. That has been a major challenge in this fight against that I'm saying. We are doing our possible best. Mankwako pamon there. Acha 2-3 weeks, 1 month. Or in a month for full, or to farmland. No be we no ye no deba. Until say we say hints be as was akochisio. And I'm putting this on record. Until we are free content say I want to tomwa nko tunyamye ni. Encho munko pie be potom. Yes, from Udru now you get people giving them tip off. Them on good honor. Yes, the time machine will from woman and track Jabia. You will not even see them.
Okay.
Last year, August, me yes, second read. My district commander can bear witness. Yeah, you do here, you could do no. You could do my Jamie personal. Yes, a community, the real man could do every man. They had to advise him, say, Chief, to be every day. You sign because you have to walk like 10 kilometers from the fossil before you can identify some of this spot. Especially the drone image that you know.
A major issue now. That yes. Drone view now, you share no. Somewhere be possible.
Be possible, yes.
And be possible, you are saying that it's far from Nkrona Echa Lake Huachiano. Is that the case?
Yes. Let's say 10 kilometers away from the lake. So far as Odru Pepaswa. Looking at the drone image now, Odru Pepasu criminal officer or Ankasia. Oh, for some mean to have drone image now. I said image in that line, Tiana Devil. A major road that leads because of drone a major road that the Faho de call Ankasi, which is the Bosomtwe from the street. And the full Ankasia on your left, I think on your left. Last year, maybe I know those the communities say, oh my pamo money no. That area no. There's a farmland that was so debris among for you or before the soon necessary. And honestly, so I'm talking because it has already been depleted from 182 or no. So as to how they managed to get to that top, say, Yamin Mikoni, so Uber Regional Security Coordinator, or Obama Yanina Costa area and Ra, they'll tell you, say, and yet native or new area, you can never see that there's any activity at the top. I am being honest with you. Then you drone footage, you can never see from the ground. Say you say cry to me how they manage to get there. You cannot see.
No, but say now we are the head of DCE. Are you saying say mo first time I'm more to say sa deep in the forest, you know, go for illegal mining. First time I would take any videos about Bonting.
So John, I'm being honest with you. The clear woman no. Sa area be a picture nearby and next no. Ne form ho no more year jumo form ho last year, which I copper mom. I think said you had a video. This time I call you and say, well, 50 years you can want them. A form of money, you copper mom and no pa. Na ebia na mana kata ebi so ha the whole year when you no start them from that is no why you more than 5 years e wo you buy pamo mu nyina e ka so bia kata na so e but a so what year with the images and I have there's no way we had any intelligence something is going on there because even the assembly member community for Nankasa never knew there was anybody there.
But I don't know na Minimate for a one say excavators in Yadia Shibutumu, chief. Yadi Rawa, ye bitmaka say who says excavators a forest. That is one thing I want to say.
And no, Chebi, a tier for near for Yenino, a you are head of security. Oh, here, some of me, Mount narration, I'm a challenge. That was security move. This will be for the permanency, Ebi Roma. And yet, or don't for being a better about a bomb, and yes, you have no security men in that old area. More than 15 to 20 communities are all in now. There's no single police station. They walk on the nearest one I have brought the Kwanwa. It may be a crime be 2 months. I've got yes, 2 men or 3 men, and all, which you don't even have a vehicle. And saying or don't for being another crew for every year. So they will come through a tree. Farmland that make an info amount of food a war that permanent area honey now or so they come through farms in Nimu and at the back. You don't even come through the main road because area community for the home.
So tell us what is the information about this activity? Information Ben will receive from security for about this.
Yeah, intel no. Because we saw it on social media, quickly, myself, commander, district commander, police commander, we invited the assembly member, Akoma, which he was finding it difficult to identify the area. They didn't come out Johnny home, baby, Crony, Yakura, so they make an old copy Poswa, who do be Poswa, now I'm a Akoma, for now, on your left, not even on the right. The lake is on the right. Main road right and a lake and a left I want change. I'm on for the phone in as a phone. So on the left corner incident in Mikoye. Upon assumption you may share video the camera. You saw said the site has been abandoned for almost you had to be anyway if I am to be there. Yes, I'm not here to crack and issue after a kata I'm but now how do you call it? Machine BBN that regional security committee no crack home, Captain Jawari team no account. Machine behind but we can't to my to America on my jaho.
I know the who because we've seen ministers who posting say Omakwa court excavators be omode excavators number. That is what we've seen from minister post. Is it different from their work?
Yes, image first drone image by now, air capture leak, that's the first one I'm talking about. But any security team, that is when we realize a form and your solo. Inside the baby, there were 3 people who are almost saying, so the security team were able to identify them from an leak area. Before so cronim, any permanency, now, or you could drop in now. That is where the machines were picked. But, spot in Akasake, there were nobody, even if you look at the drone image in the corner, you don't see any sign of machine there, but the machines were picked from because we went there. One now we my from that permanent now we will have Bosomtwe. all of them were picked from that area, from the Beposo area.
Enti national security, the regional security coordinator team, you are confirming to us that particular area now drone view no eba no ɛhɔ de na abandoned, but mo call na nkrofo so ye adwuma wo areas within that forest mo machines and my clarity there was nothing like a forest. If you pick your more coming as someone for farmland and full more the forest zone now over Bosomtwe you need the forest now zone no the awful people no call leak in the hono that forest nobody was in there. They were picked from the Ufri Jabin Bosomtwe, which is a community called Permanent. That's enclave, no. Honor said the star machines, no. A free year. Now, you need assembly member and call Srono. There be not drone image in the buy, no. You might have to make inquiries. I'm a young say, Nipa no this man way. A native of South Kuronim, no. Yanidin details are. This is on air, but then we are on one hand for the person. We are looking for the person. Monya nipa na okoye sa adwuma ne din.
Yes, yeah, details and American these are security matters which I don't want to put on air, but then in the possible shortest time we are going to pick the person.
But the artist was you say was so to na hoye fu no to free obi ho and odi.
Yes, and American say okodru who do image na who say forest okodru ma who say fu as obi adon na fu who say amount of nearby wall inside so okaso to na the information dem asama dem mind say fu na say wakoto farmland no odi yes enye forest but when you take it from the stopper it looks like a forest but it's not a forest, it's a farmland on the left of the Beposo Kolonima Oka Mekum. Amakom Jamano, the Pana.
Chief, the last time we operation here, that area, the last time I be that
I think some close to the last quarter of December, October, or baby.
This year, because I am getting a lot of messages, areas within your district. Ayase, say, Yase, right?
Yase,
yes. Yase, ewo, right?
Yes, Yase.
So, people are sending in areas within Ohio. Illegal activities, CBR starting Ohio.
Yes, tell me, Bosomtwe is a very, very big district. You could say Yasi Korea, okay, Yasi a Jaffo shares boundaries with Bekwai, so on the Kokofu stretch. Even Korea Jaffo no traditionally belongs to Kokofu traditional council. The American last operation, you can find machine from that Korea Jaffo no Echiho. You could be a toilet, so the ABA toilet will be bomb and yes, or said there's some activity. So from that program now, I walk straight, even without the police, me, myself, and the West Department, straight, I go find machine to buy. Later I realized per land demarcation, that area now and that Ecofarm machine no, that belong to how do you call it? Bosomtwe home. The land doesn't belong to Bosomtwe, but yet we still see the machine which we parked at the assembly. Was still parked in the assembly. We were trying to fight Galamsey. So John, was speaking. We depend on information. Maybe one information. Times these people, some people come under the guys who different routes, area, and I do not build them. I sit with just few policemen. Few intelligence. Could remove how we so the mining activities are not done in the community anymore. Next some of them you have to walk like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. You walk an hour before you can get to the site. It will be among information. Honestly, I'm telling you.
But how do you coordinate with NIMOS for? when you think that men and what district enough to deal with this issue. Ebasa, how do you coordinate with 9 months?
So John Wadaroma, in terms of operation course of the so the men I can mobilize the men and stop it. But in terms of daily maintenance and routine, the whole Bosomtwe district we have only one official police vehicle said the patrol. It tackle other crimes. Don't think I said they are deploying every day walk through. You would leave the room for other crimes. And say your problem in the tackle there. We quickly call on regional minister. We invite 9 months. I think 9 months about something on tour. Apart the me 9 months was about operation. Regional security as about operation. But as I said, the activity like something. Oh yeah, they find a way to come back. You find a way. Okay. They find a way.
This morning, information I mean, you know, so they say, Yasini a draft. They are back. That is information I mean, you say they are back. Yeah, or my bow, or more. That's information coming in this morning.
No, okay.
Yes. So
yes, just weekend. Yeah, I think. Even before this reposal issue, the regional security team came to do a sweeper. They picked the machine inside the coin. And see, if they are back this morning, so and what are my 5 figures on a yen or tier for no for. The district assembly, I can't see information as you found my direct near the 2 social media. See, before say, if you are very reaction. Nipa na want to oil the money, if you want to, then Nipa are reacting to them. If you said the TV pursuit, if we had the intel earlier, probably the Ananka action would have been different from say over social media. No, many Nipa will be oil the money or woman tip off. Now, quite the yo. The Eka say they are aware and as every machines weekend. Yes, I think on Friday, regional security. Actually, even before this pursuit is over. Now, if they have find a way to come back, I'm sure they could have communicated to the district police or something in an action. But they told ASA, said they were kind of AV, and said you want to pay upon what you know, before so we do organize when you say Otilo. So I'm seeking say Wadaroma. Our doors are open for this collective fight against Galamsey. But I am calm yeah. Say obi take video not the control bonting the time we could be what you do attention video no the person why you imagine no so video no.
Okay, chief Mr. Wede jina soma me na 2 questions e bisa but me saka the regional security